I'll be going into my second year of a Level 3 business course at Coleg Menai's Bangor campus, which is part of Grŵp Llandrillo Menai. Before going to college, I tried sixth form first, but I realised that A-levels weren't right for me. I chose to go to college to try something new, and I chose the business course because of the range of areas that it covers, so it stood out to me. Through Coleg Menai, I have applied for a scholarship with the national company Watkin Jones, and I'm currently finishing this 10-week placement with the company now, and it's been a real eye-opener into the world of work. During my time with Watkin Jones, I got to work in a range of different departments: business development, marketing, HR and health and safety. This was great, and it wasn't just office-based at all. I got to climb up scaffolding and work on active construction sites, which was completely new for sure. I do have a strong interest in politics, and during my first year at Coleg Menai, I decided to run for Student Union President. I found my tutors on the business course really supportive of this, and I felt like the course highlights the importance of politics, with the trip to Belgium to visit the EU Parliament and the visit from Leanne Wood, the leader of Plaid Cymru. I ran against 6 other candidates for this position. During the election, I went to all Coleg Menai campuses to talk to all students on different courses. I was delighted to find out that I had won the election, and I'm now the Student Union President for the coming year. I want to ensure that students at Coleg Menai enjoy their college experience as much as I've enjoyed mine, and are given the best opportunities for their futures.